करोना आणि त्यामुळे आलेल्या टाळेबंदीमुळे अनेक प्रश्न निर्माण झालेत. करोनानंतरच्या काळात शाळा कशा चालतील याची चर्चा आता विविध व्यासपीठावरून घडत आहे. त्यात प्रामुख्यानं ऑनलाईन शिक्षण या मुद्द्यावर भर आहे. मात्र ऑनलाईन शिक्षण सर्वांना कसे झेपणार, अशा व्यवस्थेसाठी लागणाऱ्या पायाभूत सुविधा अनेक ग्रामीण भागात उपलब्ध नसल्यानं सरकारनं याबाबत फेरविचार करावा अशी मागणी शिक्षक वर्गाकडून होत आहे.
Yeah, parents, if you'll go to see, different messages they are sending. Morning, one message we have got that we are not interested at all. Okay, this is the first message we have seen. Second message, though the parents is educated, that parents also they told us that we are not interested in this online training. What is going to be work on that? Understood? So we teachers we want to take a classes. Now morning we have started, but we lack of this parents problem, the students problem. We cannot know, and 100% attendance will be not there. So those who are not having the mobile, they will deprive from this teaching. त्यांचं कांयच हे जावची ना. अंडरस्टूड नो
मॅडम पूण प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसता पेरंट्सां दोन भुरगीं जाल्यार तशें बी कितें?
सो आमचे म्हणजे जी लोअर क्लासेस जी आसा 5th to 8th स्टँडर्ड, सपोज 5थाक एक भुरगीं आसा, 9थाक एक भुरगीं आसा. सो हाऊ दे वील मोबायल डिवायस, हाऊ दे वील कशें ते यूज करूं शकता. अंडरस्टूड ना. दोन एक मोबायल कशी ती 4 भुरगीं किंवा 2 भुरगीं आसा ती कशेंच यूज करूं शकना.
मॅडम आता मोबाईल स्टडी मोबायलाचेर आहा पळय ती खंयच्या क्लासीस टू खंयच्या क्लासीस आसा?
Now at present we have focused on 9th and 10th standard. Okay, and for 5th to 8th standard I told my teachers to go through the WhatsApp messages. Now we have learned so many techniques, so they will use that techniques and they will try to engage the children.
Madam, put internet connectivity is a problem.
Yes, of course. When we went through the online training, same problem we were having, connectivity. Okay, but what happened this year, anyhow we have to, that show must go on with, as we say, that we have to engage our children in anyhow that whatever possible way is there, we have to engage the children. And
Madam,
that is my opinion. This is.
Madam, what happens to people who don't have mobile, who cannot afford to mobile?
They will deprive. They will deprive. These children will deprive because we cannot contact them. We cannot go through that. Now see this social these norms, whatever is there. If we go to see that, we cannot contact them. Now in this case, so many students they shifted from here to their native place. That too also is there.
मग तुमचे किती सजेशन आहे मॅडम आता?
Suggestion, if we will go to see that in this condition, 9th and 10th, if physically we will start, it will be better. To keep in mind that all the norms and all these things, 9th and 10th we should concentrate. Because since 5th to 8th standard is a mass promotion, so we can keep them busy, but this physical classes that we can start. Okay.
Hi, my name is Sushil Tripathi and by profession I am a maths teacher. Okay, so I am going to talk about the current situation which students are facing in Goa as far as online classes are concerned. One of the major problem which students are facing, and because I am also into education, I am taking classes. So the major problem which students are facing these days in Goa is, the most important is connectivity issues. If you see, the students who are in Aldona or students who are in the interior of Mapusa, they do not have a very good connectivity. So even schools which are running online classes or e-learning classes, these students are not able to attend those classes because of the lack of connectivity. So somewhere the time to build their concept is quite less, and they are not able to, will not be able to understand the mathematical concept or concept of any topic in proper detail, because you have very less time to prepare them after school opens. So I personally feel that government of Goa should work on increasing the connectivity in these interior areas, because education is important for all of us, and this is the right time for the government to pace up the work of increasing the connectivity in these areas, so that these students can also take the benefit of online education and e-learning classes. So these are the major problems which are being faced by the students in Goa. Second problem which is faced by students of Goa is that majority of these schools which are located in interiors, in fact some of the big schools also, are not able to provide the e-learning classes because of the poor connectivity in these schools. So I request the government of Goa to provide them the proper connectivity in these schools also, or you can help them, and you have a educationist with you, so you can take the guidance, or you can take help from them, you can take suggestions from them how to increase the connectivity and how to increase e-learning and how to increase live streaming of the classes, because live streaming is something which is more useful compared to e-learning classes. Student, you can make it out of this, and you can actually find out a student is able to understand the concept or not. So I request government of Goa to look into these two matters. First, providing good connectivity to schools, and second, good connectivity in interior areas.
So what about the technological factor? Are the students able to buy these smartphones and laptops which are required?
See, basically, if you see, all the students as of now have smartphones. So smartphone is not an issue, and even most of them have laptops with them. So yes, there are some applications like Zoom, like Google Meet, Microsoft Meet. These are Google Glass, sorry, and Microsoft Meet. They can download these applications from Play Store, and they can attend online classes. But everything boils down to one thing: connectivity. So there is no connectivity, no matter whether you are taking classes on Zoom or you are taking classes on Microsoft Meet or any other e-learning platform. If you do not have connectivity, you will not be able to connect them to for the live classes. So this is the problem. So students have the gadgets to attend online classes, but they do not have connectivity.
So what is the status of these coaching classes in Goa right now, according to you?
See, the big coaching classes have changed themselves, and now they have started again. As I told you, they are running the live streaming. They have started live streaming of classes, and they are conducting classes from various platforms like from Google Meet, or some of them have their own software. So they are able to match up with those, but then there are some small and very small coaching classes which are not able to conduct these classes, and their business is suffering a lot. And of course, these people also have some responsibilities and liabilities.
What would you request the government for these small time classes?
I personally feel that these people should also go to the government and ask them the situation and the problem they are facing. So they can, the government can help in some or the other way, and they can also help. They can also provide them some good internet connectivity in their areas. Like some people who are in Seolim, we do not have a proper connectivity in areas like Seolim, or if you go toward Morjim Beach or in beach side, they do not have proper connectivity. But coaching classes which are in these areas are suffering because of this.
The online education is the way forward in coming days or coming months, or maybe coming year also. Nobody can say when this COVID-19 is going to end. पण कशें आसा की आतां हांवें म्हज्यो क्लासीस चलतात, प्रायवेट कोचिंग क्लासीस. सो हांवें ऑलरेडी ऑनलायन क्लासीस स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा. सो आय गॉट मोर दॅन 100 स्टुडंट्स स्टडींग इन 10th क्लास. तर ऑलमोस्ट 70% पीपल आर रियली हॅपी अबाउट इट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ 2 reasons. वन इज ते घरान सगळे तेंचे भुरगे सेफ आसात, आनी दुसरी गजाल जे पेरंट्सांक जे हॅक्टीक जातले ट्रॅवलिंग, जे भुरग्यांक हाडून सोडप, परत तांकां कलेक्ट करप, समज टायम मेळना जाल्यार भुरगे आपले सेफली घरा पावले काय ना, किंवा ते क्लासीक रेगुलर पावता काय ना, हें जे सगळें बॉदरेशन जें आसलें पळय न्हू, तें आतां पेरंट्साचें कमी जालां, आनी पेरंट्स आर रियली हॅपी दॅट देयर चिल्ड्रन आर एट होम एंड दे आर स्टडींग. पण हांगासर आतां एक प्रॉब्लेम आसा, तो म्हटल्यार द इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लेम. थोडे अरावंड एक 30% भुरगे जे अशे आसा की तांकां प्रॉपर इंटरनेट फॅसिलिटी ना. सो नॉर्मल मोबायल रेंज सुद्दां थोडे कडेन मेळना. ना वी आर इन अ सिटी, वास्को सिटी, सो बट इन अदर रुरल एरियाज हो प्रॉब्लेम खूब आसा. तर म्हजी एकूच मागणी आसा सरकारा कडेन की हे ऑनलायन क्लासीस टिचर्स ट्रेनींग हे सगळे करचे पयलीं ही नेट फॅसिलिटी जी आसा पळय न्ही ती विलेज लेवल किंवा सिटी लेवल सुद्दां आतां आमी सिटीन आसून सुद्दां खुबशे पेरंट्सांक हांगा सिटीन नेटवर्क मेळना तर ही नेट किंवा ब्रॉडबँड फॅसिलिटी ॲट लोवर कॉस्ट प्रत्येकाक पावोवपाक जाय आसली आनी इट इज पॉसिबल फिजिबल फॉर पेरंट्स ऑल्सो कित्याक जर पेरंट्स म्हणटा आपणाक ते परवडना ब्रॉडबँड तर आयज जे भुरग्यांक तेणी गाडयेन धाडटले किंवा हाडपा व्हरपाक जो पेट्रोलचो खर्च येतालो तो सगळो आयज सेव जाला सो म्हयन्याक समज 500 रुपया स्पेंड करपाक म्हाका दिसना की व्हडलेशें तांकां जड जातलें कशें कळ्ळें न्ही आनी दुसरो प्रॉब्लम आसा जे 30% थोडे भुरगे जे बाकीचे येतात ते म्हटल्यार विकर सेक्शन म्हणजे वीक स्टुडंट्स सो तांकां डिफिकल्टीज आसता आनी ते डिफिकल्टीज आमी जेन्ना ऑनलायन शिकयता तेन्ना डायरेक्टली तांकां आमकां अटेंड करपाक ते बरें जड वयता सो देर आर डिफरंट गॅजेट्स वीच हॅव कम कळ्ळें न्ही So what I have done is I have ordered an interactive whiteboard monitor where it is like when I write on that monitor the student can see on his screen and it is like we are sitting in front of each other so that way that gadget helps a lot.
आयज एक गव्हर्मेंटान स्टेप घेतलेलो आसा की भुरग्यांचे ज्यो क्लासीस आहा स्कॉलाच्या भुरग्यांचे ज्यो क्लासीस आहा ती ऑनलायन स्टार्ट करच्यो म्हूण आमकां सगल्यांक मानून चलपाक जाय की कोविड-19च्या कारणाक लागून आयज हो स्टेप जो आसा तो गरजेचो आनी होच चालू उरपाक जाय पूण तेजे वांगडा आनी एक थोडेसो प्रॉब्लमूय आसा म्हणजे हो की आयज जरी तर ऑनलायन क्लासीस स्टार्ट केल्यो जाल्यार लोकांक एक पेरंट्सांक जो भुरग्यांक लागून मोबायल घेवन दिवचे पडटले ते मोबायल कमीच कमी 15 ते 20 हजार पडटा बेश्टे मोबायल सुद्दां घेतले जाल्यार जरी तर 15-20 हजाराचे मोबायल घेतले सुद्दां जाल्यार इंटरनेट फॅसिलिटी म्हणटा ती आमकां क्लीन आनी सारकी नेटवर्क म्हणटा तो गोवान फूल खंयचो वच जाल्यार नेटवर्काचो प्रॉब्लम आसा लोकांक रेंज म्हणटा ती कॉल मेळना सारकी कॉल्स वचना जाल्यार इंटरनेट कशें चलतलें हें सगळ्यांनी जाणून घेवपाक जाय तशेंच 20-20 हजार एक जर पेरंट्साक 2 भुरगीं आसा एका इस्कॉलान जाल्यार ताका 15-20 हजाराचो एक मोबायल जाल्यार 30 ते 40 हजार 2 भुरग्यां फाटल्यान मोडचे पडले तशेंच हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की जशें जशें तुमी पयलीं भुरग्यांक कंप्युटर दिल्ले फ्री कंप्युटर दिल्ले तेच भाशेन हे मोबायलूय लोकांक फ्री दिवचे आनी पेरंट्सांक आदार करचो म्हणून